Hi friend, I am going to start with diac. In diac, we want to study introductions, diac construction, working of a diac, diagraphics of diac, application of diac. Then these three circuits are related to the application of diodes, and I will not. I will later discuss on this topic. Okay. First of all, we are discussing about these five terms up to application of diac. Okay. Introductions. What is DAC and how it is working? Okay, introduction. The DAC is much similar to transistor, so more strictly it is called as a transistor than a thyristor. That means it is more similar to transistor than a thyristor. However, it has an important role in stack triggering and other thyristor-based circuits. Several gate triggering circuits are circuits use the diac for achieving greater triggering stability or noise and noise immunity. Diac stands for diode AC switch. Okay, it has two terminal bidirectional switching device. These terminals are not named as anode or cathode in case of a normal diode. This indicates that the diode can be used in the other directions. The figure below shows that a symbol of diode which has two arrows in both directions, which means that it conducts for either polarity of the supply voltage. The diode don't have a control terminal as a gate in case of transistor device. In device, a gate controlling voltage, a gate controlling gate terminal is there. But in case of diac, there is no gate terminal. Okay, this is a symbol of diac. Okay, and this is also symbol of diac. Okay, there is no any canode or cathode because it have both direction and it is depend on the polarity of the diode. Okay. Diac construction. The diac construction is diac is looks like a transistor. However, there are several differences between these two. Some of these are the doping construction in all the layers are in diac are identical. Whereas the transistor has a highly doped emitter. That means this is transistor, and this is four layer. That means this is the like an SCR, but not gate current, not gate terminal, and all are the diac. Okay, all are the diac, but different doping constructions. All are the transistor but different doping constructions, and the doping construction in all layers in diac are identical. If this is transistor, then emitter, this let's put this is emitter, then highly doped, then lightly doped collector, lightly doped treble collector, and this is base, then moderately doped. That means this is highly doped, then this and this. Okay, if this is diac, then all are the same concentrations. Transistor is a three-terminal device, where the diac is transistor is three-terminal device. Okay, base current, base emitter, and collector. But diac is a two-terminal device. There are three regions diac equal in size. There are three regions in diac equal in size, and these are diac five level structure diac. The diac are fabricated into 3 4 5 structure. A 3-layer structure is more commonly used in the others. The 3-layer diac can be constructed in either PNP or NPI. In PNP form, the two terminals are connected to the other silicon P region separated by N region. This construction is same as the PNP transistor with no base current. This is the diac if no base connection is there. Okay. Consider a PNP crystal structure in which the terminal 1 and 2 connected to P1 and P2 outer layers respectively, which are separated by N layers. When the terminal T1 is positive with respect to terminal T2, junction P1N is forwardized. When P2 is reverse biased, when the back over voltage P2 is reached, the entire structure comes into the conduction mode, and hence diac conduct from terminal 1 to terminal 2. The reverse will be happen if terminal 2 is positive with respect to terminal 1. That means If this is connected through the positive voltage and this is also connected to the positive voltage, and sorry, this is also connected to the negative voltage, then this P1N junction is forward bias. Then P1N, this means P2N, this because this have higher P type terminal high voltage than this, because of this have this this junction have forward bias. Okay, and this junction have this, because of this low voltage, because of this low voltage, this section have, this section is in reverse biased. Okay, the reverse will happen if terminal 2 is positive with respect to terminal 2, and then reverse will happen if this have low voltage than this. Okay, working of diac. So as soon as supply voltage whether positive or negative is applied to the across the terminal of an diac, only a small leakage current flow through the device. So the device operates either forward or reverse blocking ones. When the applied voltage is increased to the value such that is equal to the breakover voltage, an avalanche breakdown occurs at the reverse bias direction. Then the diac start conducting an exhibit negative resistance characteristic, that is in the current increases with the decreasing value of applied voltage. The voltage drop during the conduction is very less and equal to the on state drop of the diac. The current flow increase quickly when the diac comes into the conduction mode. Therefore, for a safe operating level of conduction current in either direction, the resistance is connected in series with that. That means when connect when voltage is applied to the diac, okay, when voltage is applied to the diac, a small current, okay, a small current is a small current, okay. A small current is flowing through that means this is the leakage current. Okay, and this is the voltage where the diac is start conducting, and O, this origin O and this is A, this like graph is like this. Okay, no problem, this is like the okay, no problem. A to B is an conduction state for positive half cycle, and this is the cycle negative half cycle for conduction. This is the leakage current. Okay, and okay, the current flow increase quickly when the die comes from the conduction mode. So when they start with conduction mode, the current flows quickly increase. Okay, quickly increase and voltage will decrease. And also the VI characteristics of diac. The figure shows the VI characteristics of diac, which indicates the current flow through the diac with respect to voltage across it. As long as the voltage across the diac is within its breakover limits, that is minus PVO to plus PVO. Okay, the resistance offered by the diac is very high, so a small leakage current flowing through the device for applying positive for applying positive voltage which is less than plus V, and negative voltage which is less than minus V, shown in figure. The region OA is a portion of the characteristic of blocking regions. Okay, these regions O to A is blocking regions, and in reverse bias similarly O to A is blocking region. Okay, and the region OA portion of the characteristic blocking region. Under this condition, diac operates an open switch, and under this condition operate in open switch in reverse, in forward region, in reverse region. The voltage plus VVO to and minus V or breakdown voltage are generally in the range of 30 to 40 volt, and this voltage is generally 30 to 40 volt. Okay, once the positive or negative voltage applies more than the respective terminal, it means the point A is above figure. The diac being connected to the voltage drop, and according to this device became few volts. The portion AB present the conduction of diode. This conduction continue until the device current falls below the holding current level. Okay. From the figure, it is noted that holding current backward voltage is identical for reverse and forward region of fluid. The first primary connection, that means when conduction is start, a current to hold the is minimum current to required to start with conducting current is holding current, and the in both the region forward region and reverse region both the current are equal. Okay, these are identical into each other. This is for forward region and this is for negative reverse region. Okay, application of diac. Since the diac requires either positive or negative gate pulse to the pulse to come into conduction state. Okay, also it can be triggered by a simple resistance feeding circuit for a reliable and faster turn on. For a diac is used in series with gate, hence the diac is mainly used as a trigger device to track. In today's market, there are several diac meshed pair are available for different control circuits. The diac is used as a trigger device in phase control circuits of the motor, speed control, and light dimmers and heat control etc. Okay, simply diac is a switch which is used to which is used to making fast switches. Okay, thank you guys, and sorry for disturbance about the F and P. We can see okay, you can see that and understand it. Okay, thank you guys, please like the video and share the video. Thank you.